Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Guys! Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?
Money, money, money.